Hello children, a pleasant morning to everyone. In our previous class, we learned the story of flying together in English explanation, and also I gave difficult words and their meanings. Today, in this class, we will complete question and answer and book exercises based on the lesson given at the end of this lesson. Question and answers. Can you answer to the following questions? Where did the geese live? The geese lived in the leafy branches of a tall tree. Why did the owl bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? The owl bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because it could help a hunter to climb up the tree and kill all of them. Why did the geese cry, "Help, help"? The geese cried for help because they were trapped in the hunter's net. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? He threw them out of the net one by one. Why did the geese pretend to be dead? The geese pretended to be dead so that the hunter would leave them safely. Describe one instant when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. Once I had to prepare for a quiz contest. As there was 1 week time, I did not refer any books. I got severe headache the day before the contest. I participated in the contest and I got less marks in it. New words and their meanings. Geese, plural for goose. Large web-footed bird. Creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, go in circular, spiral course. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. State whether the following statements are true or false. The tree was the house of a flock of parrots. False. The wise owl bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. True. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. False. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. True. The wise owl bird helped them to escape. True. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. Use question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. I watch TV in the evening. Question. When do you watch TV? I play games. Question. What do you play? I collect stamps. Question. What do you collect? I play in the ground. Question. Where do you play? On Sunday, I go shopping. Question. When do you go shopping? Answer these questions about yourself. This exercise is a model. You may write different answers. What is your name? My name is. You can write your name. What languages do you speak? I speak English. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Which is your favorite food? My favorite food is chapati and veg curry. Where did you go yesterday? I went to visit my grandparents. Which country do you belong to? I belong to India. When do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Why do you drink milk? I drink milk to be strong. The words in the clouds describe something or someone in the story. Name them in the blanks provided, and then make sentences of your own with the words given in the clouds. Wise, old bird. Sentence: the king was very wise. Careless, geese. We should not be careless. Thick and strong. Creeper. This rope is thick and strong. Foolish. Hunter. The foolish can be cheated easily. Tall. Tree. I amazed at the tall building. Here are some answers about the given picture. The color of the ant is black. It lives on land. It has 2 long antennae. It crawls on the ground. It eats sugar. Now, frame questions for the above answers. What is the color of the ant? Where does it live? How many antennae does it have? How does it move on the ground? What does it eat? Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. This tree was the home dash a flock of wild geese. Of. He noticed the creeper dash the foot of the tree. At. It would be a pity dash destroy it now. 2. As they flew dash the tree, they were trapped into. The boy ran dash the dog with. The frogs jumped dash the well into. The girl was thrilled dash see her new bicycle. 2. The birds were caught dash the net in. The children walked dash the bridge off. Complete the paragraph with the suitable words from the box. Around, across, with, along, to, after, next to, into, from. One day, as I was walking dash the bank of the river. Along. I saw my friend running dash the field. Across. He was calling my name and waving dash me. 2. I stopped and waited. Dash sometime he reached where I was standing. After. He said, I went all dash the town looking for you. Around. I have some exciting news to share dash you with. Do you remember the old house? Dash the neem tree. Next to. Guess who is moving dash that house? Into. Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks dash him. From. Filling the blanks given below with question words. Example: where do you live? Dash do you play? What do you play? Dash do you get up? When do you get up? Dash do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? Dash do you go to school? When do you go to school? Dash do you like best in the school? Games, art, or music? What do you like best in the school? Games, art, or music? Dash is your birthday. When is your birthday? Dash do you want for your birthday? What do you want for your birthday?